What's up, Tartlets? It's Deanna, and I have a very special guest here today. This is the gorgeous Exterior Glam, if you guys follow her. If you don't, you should.
Hi, guys.
So she is doing an amazing collab, our first ever lash collab. And she's gonna show you guys her new lashes with us, and they're just amazing, and she'll talk to you about those.
So the first lash is called Kosova, and they're super lightweight. They are for more like an everyday makeup look, and they have a clear band, which is amazing. And then the second lash is called 0 to 100. So this lash actually adds more drama into your eyes and just make your eyes pop more.
A question that we get a ton on social media is how to apply false lashes. I know sometimes I'm not super confident in doing that, and a lot of my friends aren't either, so we have the pro here. She's gonna teach us how to do it and show you some tips and tricks. I'm gonna use the Kosova pair of lashes just because it's gonna be a more everyday look.
And I'm gonna go for 0 to 100, of course, because I'm a drama queen.
First of all, the packaging is so beautiful. Look how
so
gorgeous she
Oh,
looks.
thank you.
And she's on the back too. So pretty.
you.
And these are also vegan and cruelty free, so that's amazing too.
Yeah. Take them out. What do you do next?
Well, measure on my eye.
Wow, she actually knows. You actually know how to apply lashes.
I'm not a pro though.
You definitely need to trim a little.
On the side, right?
Yeah.
So like I would say like that last bit, right?
So usually I like to hold the lash the opposite way, just so
Oh.
you don't touch the length.
Got it.
And then just cut here. It's like cutting hair.
I know.
So I always like to cut the lash at the end, just so like you get that wisp towards the end. And if you have a little band here, you can always cut it, but try not to cut the hair.
So I personally love our lash glue, and we included it in these both of these lashes, and they have a really cute deco on them, if you can see. And I personally love our lash glue. It's award-winning, it's latex-free, and I'm allergic to latex. Also formaldehyde-free, so this is really great. It's gonna not really ruin your lashes like most lash glue would. So what I would do is put the glue along the lash line and kind of just let it dry for a little. See, I know the steps, but once I get to actually placing them,
No, we're gonna
that's where I
teach
have
you.
the trouble.
You're gonna wear lashes every day. So we are going to wait 30 to 40 seconds for this glue to dry. It actually dries really quick.
What advice would you give to someone that's afraid to put false lashes on?
I would just say keep practicing and don't get nervous. So we are going to place the lash in the middle on the lash line, and then we are going to press the edges. Okay, now there's a trick that I always use, and every time I tell people that, they always like, what? How did you come up with it? I don't know. So I take a small mirror, this is from the blush, and I place it right on top of my eyebrow just to check if there's any gaps between my lash and the false lashes, which I don't think there is any right now. You know, when you close your eyes, you don't want people to see that gap.
That's a really good tip.
Yeah, I always use it and it comes in handy.
I
always see
heard of
people
that
with a
tip before.
gap, I'm like,
Yeah. That's amazing. I usually try to take like liner and fill in a gap, but that's better when you don't have to like add the liner. I'm curious, what inspired the names of these lashes?
so for your lashes that you're wearing right now, it's called Kosova, which is my country where I was born. Yeah, I actually still have families there, so I wanted to represent and
That's
show love to my
amazing.
country. Yeah. And for 0 to 100, you can probably tell why. Because they are 0 to 100.
Yes,
they
it
make
takes
you
your look from
yeah.
0 to 100.
They are so dramatic, which I love. And I always wanted to create a lash that was perfect for my eyes and that
They literally look perfect for your eyes right
completes
now.
the look.
You
gonna
want
put the
number
lash?
2? Yeah, I put the lash glue.
Oh, I'm over here. We're running late. You're ahead of me. Let me see. Wow.
So what is your favorite part of working with Tarte on this collab?
So when Tarte actually reached out to me for this collab. I was so excited because Tarte was one of the first companies that actually reached out to me when I first started Instagram. And I was so happy. And of course, I love the idea about the lashes because I'm a lash girl. And yeah, and I've known this girl for like over 3 years now.
I know, wow.
It's crazy.
We have an old picture that we found, but we're not going to show it.
No.
It's frightening.
With that, the lashes are on.
You
Did
look
you check
amazing.
your top?
Oh, I didn't check my top on this side. Oh, wow.
Amazing.
Amazing. No gappage.
She
Wow.
actually learned. Wow.
I did.
What a student. So proud of you. So the next step is mascara. I like to blend my own lashes with the falsies with this mascara from Tarte, which is amazing.
This is our Tarte lash paint, and it's super jet black, so it just blends perfectly with these lashes. Wow.
Perfect.
Looks amazing.
Oh, it looks great on you.
Another thing that people get scared about with lashes is that they think they could be spending a lot of money on these and then they just use them once and have to get rid of them, but that's actually not the case. And Foinika is going to tell us how she takes care of her lashes and how you can use them multiple times.
Yeah. Key to this is always maintain them and make sure you take off the glue, because if you like reuse the lashes with the glue on from the previous times, it's just not going to last that long. So it's better to always keep it in your own packaging, the packaging that it comes with, and it's always clean and keeps the shape as it comes.
So the best part is now you're probably wondering, how do you get these lashes? And they're available now on Tarte.com and Sephora. We are so excited about this collab because we just love her so much. How could you not? So thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.